Oh my, where do I start? Goodness gracious, I guess I can put this one down. And I've got books. Oh, hey, hi. I'm so glad you can join me. You caught me cleaning out the playroom cabinet. Goodness gracious, look at all of this. You know, some of these toys my grandchildren don't even play with anymore. There's some favorites in here, but they're broken, so I've got to go through all of these. You know, I have to do this when my grandkids aren't here, because when they are here, they think they need all of this, including the broken toys. So I need to go through and I need to get rid of the broken ones. Plus, there's some stuff here that they don't play with anymore, and I can donate those. You know, my grandkids, they just have so much trouble whenever I clean out their toys, because all they see is their toys being gone. What they don't see is the fact that Granny's gonna buy some new toys. You know, that just kind of reminds me of God. Sometimes we think that all we're doing is losing something, and we forget that we're actually going to get something new. I don't think this fits them anymore. Oh my goodness. It reminds me of a book and a story. They're the Adam Racoon stories. You know, I bought this series when my sons were really little. It was one of the best series. It was written and illustrated by someone named Glenn Keane. And do you know, he is a Disney illustrator. He has done pictures like Tarzan, Pocahontas, Beauty and the Beast, Tangled, and some more. And he wrote a great series called the Adam Racoon series. It's just one of my favorites for my kids. Today is Adam Racoon in the Lost Woods. The sun had not yet risen in Master's Woods. Nearly everyone was asleep, and a single light shone from Adam Racoon's window. He had been up for hours, getting ready for the big day. Knock, knock, knock. That must be him, Adam said, running to open the door. And there stood the mighty lion, King Aaron. Are you ready to go on the hike, Adam? The sun is almost up, he said. Yes, wait 1 second. I'll be right back, Adam replied. Okay, I'm ready, Adam said. Adam, what are you bringing all of that with you for? I've already planned everything. Oh no, but I need all this stuff. It won't be any trouble. Honest, I know what I'm doing. Come on, let's go. Adam, you're heading the wrong way. Follow me. And so they started out on their journey. Adam quickly realized this was not going to be as easy as he thought. Stopping at a stream, King Aaron said, "Crossing this stream is going to be tricky. Watch how I do it, Adam." And grabbing a hanging vine, King Aaron swung easily across the stream. But all Adam could see was the stuff he was carrying. And now it was Adam's turn. So carefully, he stretched his foot to the first rock. Splash! The rocks were very slippery. Adam frantically grabbed for his things as they floated down the streams. It was too late. He was only able to save his little red ball. Adam, try not to worry about losing your things. You don't really need them when you're with me, King Aaron said. What about my ball? Can I bring it? It's so small. And besides, it's the only thing I have left. It will only cause you more trouble, Adam. Come on now, stay close by my side, King Aaron said. Adam followed him, clutching his little red ball. Ahead of them lay the dangerous lost woods. King Aaron had traveled this way many times before, and holding tight to the king's hand, Adam knew he would be safe. A howling sound swirled around them. Ooh! It was the cold wind whistling through the twisted trees. The lost woods had many twisted paths that crisscrossed here and there, but King Aaron always knew which way to turn. Soon the woods began to brighten. Flowers bloomed everywhere. Adam was feeling safer, and he let go of the king's hand and started to play with his ball. Whoops! The ball rolled off the path and into the woods, down the hill and through a log. It rolled to a stop in a little clearing. Adam picked it up and turned to go back. But which way was back? Nothing looked familiar as he headed in what he thought was the right direction. The woods seemed darker and colder now. Frantically, Adam tried to find his way back. Help! King Aaron, I'm lost! Exhausted, Adam fell to the ground. It's hopeless. I'll never find my way back, he said. Then Adam realized he wasn't alone. A low growling surrounded him. Wolves! From behind every tree and rock crept a hungry wolf. Adam tried to scream for help. With one mighty roar, the wolves leaped at Adam. Adam waited, but nothing happened. He took a peek, and he could hardly believe what he saw. All around him, the wolves were cowering, as though they were afraid. Adam didn't understand. And then he felt the big, strong paw resting on his shoulder. King Aaron, Adam cried. It was you who scared them away. Adam, the king said, aren't you leaving something behind? Nothing that I need, as long as I'm with you, Adam replied. And they continued on their way. You know, this reminds us that so many times we think we know everything, and we think we know what we should do and what we should say. But the Bible says to trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. We need to give our hearts to Him, and He'll protect us, He'll lead us, and He'll guide us. Adam thought he needed everything else. He needed all that stuff. Just like my grandchildren think they need all this stuff. But you know, I know better what they need. They're growing, and it's time to get some new toys. It's time for some new things, and it's time to let go of the old things. If your room's getting too hard to clean, you might be having too much stuff too. You know, sit down, clean it out, make room for the new stuff. And if it's broken, throw it away. And if it's still good, then you can donate it to someone who needs new toys. All right, well, thank you for coming. We love you, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.